All right, you know, now that we've got this glued in there, I'm going to take her on out. All right, put the transfer jig outside. I like to mark the side that I'm going to remove. A little mark on it. It's happened once. Didn't happen again. So we got that CA glue. It's holding this on this side. Zap. Reason why I use zap is water doesn't seem to affect it. So now I'm going to make an epoxy mix. Don't need a whole lot. Should be enough. And again, this is another Zap product. Purchased it the same time I got the other. It's Zap 2-part epoxy. That looks about right. Okay. And I mix them. This is a 15-minute epoxy. So it's runny. And gravity definitely affects it. So, not no hurry to put it on. Yeah. I usually do multiple stones when I'm doing this. Today we're just doing this one, but we're also going to epoxy this one, this stone. And so I am doing two. So I just lace it in there ever so lightly. Alright. And that's probably more than enough. And then what I do then is I take a clothespin and I hang it. And I'll hang it so it'll dry. So I get a nice even, so I plumb it pretty much because gravity has an effect of pulling from one side to the other if you're leaning or this and that. So I want it to really be nice, so I hang it. This is a larger one. this one too. Or, in this case, what I'll do is I'll put it right here. And I'll just flip this one here especially. And so what I'll do is I'll flip it around. So this is my chance to be political. And please vote. It's important. It's our civil duty. Believe it or not, we all have a civil duty to one another. And it's our civil duty to one another to vote. So please vote. I'm a veteran. I'm very well taken care of veteran, by the way. So VA takes care of me rather well. And so you can see that it's kind of moving around and it's, you know, feathering down is what I would call it. I know it's pretty hard to see here, but I'm going to try something here. No, it ain't going to work. I wish I had some controls. But I need to be able to control the focus a little bit better here on this. Well, that's what we're doing. So right now we're in a let it dry phase. 15 minutes. I usually let it go for a day before I even touch it. You know, let it harden up really good. That's about it.